So here's how to earn money with Serpclix. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Chrome browser, and after that search for the Serpclix website and then click on the first link at the top. Serpclix is a platform that pays users to click on search engine results to improve click-through rates for specific keywords. It's not directly related to ClickSense, ViSense, or other online engine platforms. To earn money with Serpclix, you have to follow these steps. First, you will need to create an account if you don't have already one. After that, install the Serpclix browser extension, which is available for popular browsers like Chrome and Firefox. Serpclix will provide you with search terms and URLs to click on. Your task is to click on the specified search results. Each click you make on the provided search results will earn you a small amount of money, usually a few cents. Once you have accumulated a certain amount of earnings, you can request a withdrawal through available payment methods. Keep in mind that earnings from Serpclix might not be substantial and can vary depending on the availability of tasks and the rates of the offer. It's also important to follow their guidelines and terms of services to ensure you are using the platform correctly. So that's how to make money from Serpclix.